Welcome back to Stacked. I'm Bruce, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import clients, contacts, and projects. Under the System module, select Import from the drop-down, and the first thing you're going to want to import is clients. If you download the template CSV file, it will have columns for each client that you need to complete. Once that's completed, that CSV file can be uploaded into the drag and drop field here. Now, only the client name is required to upload to Stacked, but if you're going to invoice clients, we recommend you provide the rest of this information so that it can be pre-populated by Stacked on the invoice. The next import that you want to do is contacts. To import contacts, you can download a similar template file, and you can see here that a client name is required and a contact name is required. That's the only two things that are actually required, but in similar fashion, if you have the rest of the information like email and phone number, you're going to want to populate that so that you can use it in Stacked. It's important that the client name matches identically to the client name used in the client import. Lastly is projects. So if you transition to Stacked, you'll likely have several projects that are in progress that will make sense to import into Stacked and manage through completion. Only client name and project number are strictly required, but this other information again is valuable if you want Stacked to be able to import that data into documents, for example. Download the CSV file, complete it, and you can drag and drop it into the upload field here. For projects, you can set a default project status, a default project start date for all of them instead of individually inputting this data on the CSV file, and a default project manager. Maybe that makes sense for old projects that you want to import here so that you can find them through filtering and sorting. And lastly, it's important that your project rates are set in default lists before you do the project import. That's it for this video. If you like this walkthrough and you want to see more like this, like and subscribe. Stacked by DesignTIME. Thanks.